Good everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the Elago, I think that's how it's pronounced, Elago, or maybe it's Elago, liquid silicone case for the iPhone 15 Pro. I've got this one in the Jean Indigo color to hopefully match my titanium blue phone. So these cases use liquid silicone for their outer construction. They also have a polycarbonate core and a microfiber lining. So I've been quite impressed with these ones in the past. So let's open this one up, we'll have a close look at it and test it out. Now this is just a cardboard case, and it feels like it's a recycled cardboard. I could be wrong, it could just be how they're doing it. Nothing else in there. So we've got the case then inside a plastic sleeve with then a foam inner. We've got here some stickers and decals with the Elago branding on them, and then of course over here alignment telling us that's where your camera goes, in that big gap. So you can see we do have obviously that camera cutout. The buttons are one piece with the molding, so the buttons don't have any gaps or holes in them. So there's nowhere for grit to get in around the buttons. I really like that. I'm not a fan of ones that do have gaps in here, so instead we've just got grooves around those cutout bits. They feel really nice. That liquid silicone and soft touch finish feels really good to touch. On the bottom, we have cut out for the USB-C port, as well as microphone and speaker cutouts. There is a little groove up in the top of the case here for the top speaker as well. Obviously, we have our camera cutout. It's got a raised lip around it, which is actually a really nice rounded off, smooth finish. I really like the way that feels. On the inside, we have that microfiber lining, and that does come up around all the sides as well. So under the buttons are the only spots that don't have that microfiber lining, and also down on the bottom where the USB-C charge port is and those speaker and microphone cutouts. Otherwise, that microfiber lining goes all the way around the inside of the case. It does have some embossing in the microfiber. It says make details, make history. Then we've got the designed by Elago in California text, and it says made with non-toxic silicone. So let's put the phone in this case and see how it looks, feels, and so on, and how it functions. So obviously line the cameras up, and we're just slotting that into the case. It feels really nice. Unlike a solid TPU case, it has a bit more flex to it and feels like it stretches around the phone a little bit better. Now it adds a 1.3mm raised edge around the camera lenses, and so it actually has a fair amount of extra height on them compared to some other cases that are just barely taller than the lenses. This actually feels like it adds a decent amount of extra height past the lenses. It then has a 1.7mm raised edge around the screen to protect it. The corners are not raised any further, it's just a consistent lip all the way around. So when the phone comes down, that lip is what's going to touch on a flat surface anyway before the phone. I like this Jean Indigo color. It's a really nice navy blue color. I think that looks really good. So these have a soft feel coating over the liquid silicone outer. Then there's actually a hard polycarbonate layer underneath that. And then of course the soft microfiber lining that's on the inside. Now, what about MagSafe charging, or even just generally MagSafe compatibility? So this case is not MagSafe compatible, but that doesn't mean it won't work. So if I put this on a MagSafe charger, it does work through the case. It is able to charge through the case, so that means you can use the wireless charging through this case. However, the magnets do not hold it in place barely at all. They're really only just strong enough to keep it in line, and this one's actually held mostly in place by the fact that the camera lip actually catches it at just the right point to align the magnets. So in practice, this is only going to work for magnetic charging on a flat surface. So this one's definitely not a good pick if you're wanting MagSafe compatibility, but if you only want it to be able to wirelessly charge and don't care about the magnetic capability, then this case is perfectly fine. Now, it feels really grippy. I love just how much grip I feel like I've got with this case. It's really awesome. I do feel like the buttons respond well, but it feels like there's sort of a delay towards actually getting the button press because it's quite soft. It just feels a little bit sluggish. So it kind of feels like you've got to press just a bit harder than normal to actually get the button to click. But it does feel really nice, and I'm really impressed with these cases. I love the rounded finish, the rounded edges. They just look and feel so schmick, smooth, streamlined, and they're really lightweight as well. So while not adding much extra to the case size, they weigh in at 50 grams. So they really don't add much to the weight either. Which is really nice. I really appreciate that in a phone case. I like my cases to be nice and slim and lightweight. So there you go. That is the Elago liquid silicone case for the iPhone 15 Pro in the Indigo Jean color, or as I like to call it, navy blue. Really nice case. Love how grippy it is, love the way it feels to touch. It just feels so nice, and I really like just the little details in it as well. I do feel the buttons just make it feel just a little bit sluggish to press them, just like you have to press a little bit harder, but overall, really nice case. That is compatible with wireless charging, but it is not MagSafe. I hope you found this video helpful. For information and pricing on these cases, make sure you check out the affiliate links that are down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one from me. Bye for now.